Good morning. This is for Traders Exclusive. This is George Tkaczuk with RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Well, let's take a look at the equity markets. Equity markets are looking for that bottom and looking for that bounce, and so far they haven't been successful. Now, I'm not calling for a bottom here. I'm just saying that basically we're looking to see when, if, and when the markets will bottom. So one of the things what we are doing is we're looking at stocks that are holding up strong, stocks that had earnings and continued to hold up pretty good during those earnings, and they're trading to the upside. There's only a handful of stocks going on there right now, but those stocks are noteworthy because when the market's correcting, and we've been correcting now here for a few weeks, few of the strongest stocks, they'll start to make their move before the equity, before the indexes start bouncing and moving up stronger. So I'm going to go through a few stocks here. Now, none of these are buy recommendations. You should always consult your financial advisor. But I'm just going to talk about some trades that we're doing right now. So one stock, the first stock that comes to mind is showing a lot of strength, is perhaps one of the most controversial stocks, and that's Tesla. That's symbol TSLA. Tesla, as the market was correcting, was trading up prior to earnings. Had earnings, surprised everybody, traded up higher, held that closing day, and continued to trade higher the next few days. Now, last Friday, Tesla, as it was moving up while the market's trading down, got hit with some bad news, and pretty much it shrugged off that news and continued to trade higher. So that's one stock I take a look at, and that's just an example of the type of stocks you want to see, stocks that are fighting the trend. Another similar stock is Twitter, TWTR, pretty much gapped up after earnings, and it's held that high volume close of that day for the last 3 days, even though the market's been trading downwards. So again, that's the kind of stock you want to take a look at. There's a stock like PayPal, symbol PYPL, pretty much holding the close after it reported earnings that day, and it's holding up strong. The CME Group, symbol CME, also reported earnings, traded down a few points, but it held that close and has traded higher in the next few days, even though the market trading down. Other examples of stocks that are holding up strong are Apple, but that's still to report this week, and Microsoft also reported and was able to hold the close of its volume, the close of its earnings day. So, in summary, the market's still correcting. We don't know when this thing will bottom. It looks like it could be just typical correction. We're not used to it because we got spoiled when we had good trending markets. A little volatility earlier in the year. Now this correction looks a little bit worse because a lot of more stocks got hit. A lot of leading stocks got hit. However, the point is, during this time do look to see which stocks are holding up stronger, because when the market turns, typically these stocks will be the ones that turn up the quickest. So as always, let price and volume be your guide. This is George Tkaczuk with RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week.